The CF-18 demo team will be performing every day an aerobatic routine, piloted by our very own Captain Eric O'Connor. We've just arrived at Pearson International for the Canadian International Airshow. It's a show that we're excited to arrive at every year.
This is the CF-18. It's a frontline fighter for Canada. Currently the aircraft is deployed in Italy to support the conflict in Libya. And it's a CF-18, 32,000 pounds of thrust, twin engine. It's your frontline fighter.
This year, every year the CF-18 demo team has a different theme, and this year it is supporting our military families, because we recognize that we can't do what we do without them. They are the true strength behind the uniform, and so this year is a salute to our military families.
This is your opportunity to come and see the aircraft performing at its maximum capability right at the air show. What you can expect to see some high-G maneuvering, aerobatic maneuvering at low altitude, and you're right from the ground. You're going to be able to feel how much thrust this aircraft has.